What's up, my friends? I have another Nadine West, and I am excited to share it with you guys. My last two bags have actually been pretty good. They didn't send me as many items, and I like the items that they sent better. Got good cardigans and pants and things like that. So I'm really excited to dig into this. So I'm gonna give you guys rough first impressions of what's in here. We'll do the try-in, and then at the end I will give you all the details of the pieces and the service and all that jazz. So hopefully you'll stick around for that. If you are not subscribed though, I would love it if you subscribe below, and if you guys end up liking this video, a thumbs up would be super helpful. So all right, let's dig right into this. And I see some burgundy, white, and black stripes, and I like the looks of this. So this appears to be a paper bag style pant here. This is like a wide leg, very wide leg. So not a huge wide leg person, so we'll see what that's like on, but first impression, it's kind of, I don't know that it's my thing, but let's keep going. So we have another pair of pants, again, paper bag, because these are what they're sending me right now, probably because they noticed that I've kept a few. So they're like, oh cool, she likes these, let's keep sending them to her. But I like these, kind of the pinstripe look to it, more of a tapered leg, which I prefer. So we'll see what these are like on, but I like these quite a bit. Then we have, what are you? A dress pant, I guess. And I'm trying to figure out if it's like a yoga pant or a dress pant. I'm gonna go with like a dress pant, kind of a flare leg-ish type deal. So we'll see on that. Okay, then we have, ooh, I like this flannel shirt, and it's basically a blue and white and mustard, a tab sleeve on it, super soft. I have a few flannel type shirts I've gotten from Nadine West, and overall I think I've been pretty happy with them. And I've got a mustard jean jacket that potentially could be great over this, or even I am filming a Stitch Fix right now, and it's got a yellow cardigan that I may end up keeping, so that might be good with that. Okay, I'm spending too much time talking about these. It's supposed to be a very basic overview, Jen. All right, now we have this kind of open shoulder with straps top here. Not a huge open shoulder because I like normal bras, and these are not tend to be conducive to open bras, but that's okay. Then we have just this, we're really going deep into this open shoulder thing. All right, more open shoulder. I like the long sleeve better, and I was really excited about this navy long sleeve shirt until I realized it was an open shoulder. Because if this was just a long sleeve shirt, a simple one, I'd keep it in a heartbeat because it's just great quality. Feels great, great thickness, great length. I would have kept that in a heartbeat. Well, we got to do that open shoulder detail. You know, sometimes less is more. Just saying. Okay, then what are you? This appears to be a cardigan. So this is like a waffle knit cardigan. Has some deep slits in it that go up quite a bit. So we will see what that is like on. It's unique, though. I don't have a cardigan like that, and I actually kind of like it. Then we've got some jewelry. Okay, the first one is actually a two pair of star earrings. So those are very pretty. I'm more of a big old dangly earring type of person. I don't tend to do studs like that, but they're pretty. And then we have a necklace. Oh, this is like, feels like heavy duty chain type necklace. So, all right, we got this chain necklace. I don't know what I think of it. It's almost too chain-like. I feel like it's a little bit more harder than I am, but we'll see. We'll try that on. So, okay, some great pieces, and I'm excited to try it on, so let's go to it. Okay, I have 3 of the pieces on, and they're not great. I don't love them. So the cardigan is okay. I did think that the slits are an interesting detail, though just because something is interesting doesn't mean I necessarily love it. It is a little bit big, kind of the gapping when I put my arms out. Not too bad. I mean, that's not a deal breaker. But I'm just not sure I'm going to be reaching for it a lot because I feel almost, you know, cape-ish in it. So, not great for me. So the shirt, I really like it. If they had shoulders on it, I'd like it, but it's definitely not bra friendly, and that's unfortunate. It's a cute, you know, I like the color, and like I said, if this was just filled in, I would have liked it. Now the pants, I feel like are a little bit big for me. I'm not sure they do anything for me. Here, let me stand more in front of here so you can see me a little bit better. So I'm not sure they're doing anything for me. They're okay. Not that excited about them, but I don't know. Let's keep going. Well, these obviously do not go together because, well, obvious reasons. But these pants are not my thing. Look, they're just a mile too long, and then just like, woo, crazy wide leg. Crazy wide leg. So that's not really my thing. Even with heels, it'd still be too long and just not my thing. Here's the 360 of these, so let's keep going. Okay, next outfit, again, maybe I stand over here, the black pants and the navy top. So the black pants are super long and they're flare, and I'm just not really into these. I mean, they're super comfortable dress pants, but they're just, you know, long and flary. I don't know. I'm not a huge fan. So that, and I feel like there's not a lot of compression on the rear, so I feel like I'm wearing workout pants, and I feel like you could see some cottage cheese in these, so I would not wear these to work anyways. So not great. So the top I would have absolutely loved if it wasn't for, you know, again, the open shoulders, not bra friendly, so I'm trying to hide my bra here, and it's just, you know, be a battle. I guess I could wear, if I really was like into it, I'd probably get it and just wear clear straps, because it's like if somebody notices a clear strap, who cares? But it's less noticeable, so you really kind of have to be looking for it. So I guess this type of thing's not a deal breaker for me, but I'm also just not like, ooh, I love this detail. So I think I just would have liked this shirt if it was just like a normal long sleeve shirt. So I don't know. It is what it is, but let's go ahead, go over prices, brands. I haven't tried on the necklace yet, so I will do that for the wrap up. So let's go. Alright guys, let's talk about the service and the prices, and I forgot to try on this top earlier, so I've got it on now. It's a great fit. I like it a lot, and I like that it has that kind of yellow mustardy color in it, and so I think I might keep it. We'll see, again, the price. I do have the necklace on just so I could show it to you guys. I didn't put the earrings on because I'm really not going to keep them, but it's not my favorite. And it was super cold, and it's pretty heavy. Like, it feels like it's heavy. Anyways, okay, so the service, Nadine West, you can get it it's a subscription every 2 weeks or every 4 weeks, and you get sent anywhere from like 2 items to 14, 15 items, so you never know what you're gonna get. And it's generally, they give you a couple of accessories and then the rest is clothes. You got a whole week on this one, which I greatly appreciate, to decide what to keep and send back what you're not gonna keep. There's no styling fee, but there is a shipping cost of $9.78 that does get applied to anything you purchase. That's the main thing. The thing with Nadine West is they are a more affordable styling service. So I do like getting some great affordable pieces from this service. I did not fold anything in my haste, so I will just, you know, kind of hold it up for you and talk about it. Okay, so this is gotta be the Skylar top. This is $24.49. I feel like that's a bit much for this, but I just didn't love the open shoulder detail, so I'm not going to keep that. I guess I'm just gonna drop this on the bag. The burgundy striped pants, by the way, they have shorts in them. I did not realize that till I actually went to take them off and went, oh. So I like that. I like a good extra layer of protection in certain areas. I appreciate that. So these are $24.49, and they were just too long, too wide leg, not really my thing. Then we had these black and white stripe pants, and these are the Sophie tie fronts, and they are $24.99. I like these, but they just weren't a perfect fit, and I already have a few pairs like these already, so I just decided I don't think I'm gonna keep these, but they're nice. I mean, I don't really have much of a complaint on them. And then we have the waffle cardigan here. This is by Ambiance. I totally forgot brands on stuff, so sorry guys, I'm failing. But I'm not sure I pulled out anything that's gonna be just something you guys are desperate for anyways, but maybe I'm wrong. So yeah, this is the ethylene cardigan and is $35.99. So that's actually decently high. Not gonna keep it. It was unique. I kind of liked the splits, but then I didn't end up liking the slits in it, and it just was too cape-like. So not going to keep that. Then I am wearing the Desiree navy top, and it is $35.99. I think I am gonna keep it, but that's so, I would not pay the $35.99 for it, but because I'm on their VIP program, I get half off. So I'm only paying $18 for it. So to me, this is definitely worth $18. The earrings, these are the Josie gold earrings, $11.99. Again, very pretty. I'll show you guys one more time. I do like the stars, but I just don't wear stud earrings, so I'm not gonna keep those. The necklace is the Katrina gold. It is $24.99, and this just really isn't my thing, so I'm not gonna keep this. Okay, this navy top, again, that has the cutouts on it. This is by Hippie Chick. Oh, this is the Desiree top, $35.99. Again, seems a bit high. Not gonna keep it because I don't like the cutouts. This is the Pristine top, same price though, $35.99. The black pants, this is the Lorna straight cut pant. I don't know that I call that a straight cut. That seemed more like a flare to me. And it is $28.19. Not really my cup of tea, so I'm not gonna keep that. So I think really the only keeper is this one, but I'm actually really happy with this. And my thing with Nadine West is I've gotten so many of these, and I'm getting them, I think I'm set on every 4 weeks at this point, but I've got so many of these that I'm happy if I just get one piece out of a bag that I'm excited about, and I am excited about this. So to me, that was a successful bag. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Is there anything else I should have kept? I like to hear what you guys think. I got a call from my doctor in the middle of that, and I don't know where it was. So I think I was maybe saying subscribe if you're not subscribed. And if you are interested in trying the service, then I do have a referral link below that I believe gets you $10 off of your first bag. So yay for that. I think that's it, guys. So thank you for watching, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. All right, bye.